In this video, recap natin yung panalo ng Magnolia kontra Barangay Ginebra sa pagsisimula ng PBA 50th Season Philippine Cup noong October 5, 2025. At dahil nga dyan, nagwagi si LA Tenorio sa kanyang unang PBA game as a head coach. Again, I'm Ruben Terrado. I write sports for spin.ph. So, let's go to the numbers, no? Kung paano nanalo itong Magnolia kontra sa Barangay Ginebra. And mainly kaya rin nanalo ang Magnolia dito sa Ginebra is because of their defense, no? At kung titingnan natin yung naging stats sa steals, Magnolia with an overwhelming advantage 11 to 2 ang kanilang kalamangan pagdating sa steals, and that led to 21 turnovers for Ginebra. And Magnolia also had a couple of turnovers, 12, pero masyado nang marami yung 21 na yan, no, ng Barangay Ginebra. And because of that, that also led to 27 points of turnovers for Magnolia, and itong Ginebra only 10 points of turnovers. So kung titignan natin, halos yan na talaga yung nag-decide ng game, no, in terms of the other stats. Sa rebounds, lamang pa nga ang Ginebra, 47 to 36. Magnolia with a slight advantage sa assist, 21-17. Yung field goal shooting, di naman din masama. Magnolia 42%, Ginebra 40%. And then yung 3-point shooting, 9 of 27 for Magnolia and 6 of 25 para sa Ginebra. So talaga nagkatalo lang talaga yung sa depensa, which is really dati ng trademark yan ng Magnolia even under kay Coach Chito Victolero. And they showed it again sa depensa, no, limiting Ginebra to less than 80 points in their 80 to 73 win over Magnolia. Hindi lumamang ang Ginebra sa larong ito, and Magnolia even led by as many as 15 points, 63 to 48. That happened early in the fourth quarter on a basket by James Laput. So yan yung naging story talaga ng game, yung sa depensa, no, na talagang ni-reassert nila ng Magnolia, no, yung kanilang puwersa sa depensa. And then Xavier Lucero, no, good game for him to start the 50th season Philippine Cup at 17 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists, and ito yung sinasabi nating depensa, no, 4 steals for Xavier Lucero and 1 block to lead the team. Yung steals na yan, no, yung 4 steals na yan, at that is a team high pagdating sa game na ito, no. And then si Jerome Lastimosa also a force on defense, 14 points, 5 assists, and then yung depensa nga, no, 2 steals and 1 block. And then itong si Javi Gomez de Liano, offensively add 14 points in his return sa PBA, no, 4 of 10 shooting from 3. So yun ang mukhang yan ang magiging primary weapon talaga ni Javi Gomez de Liano, yung kanyang ability to shoot from the outside, no. And kita naman natin sa volume of shots, talagang meron siyang lisensya. He finished with 4 of 10 from the field, no. And going back to our point sa defense, no, at hindi natin na ilagay dito sa ating graphic, no, na even si James Laput talagang nagbigay ng effort sa depensa, and he even had 3 steals, no. For a big guy, James Laput also producing on defense, especially sa steals, no, having 3 in this ball game. So talagang yan ang pagpapatunay na talagang naging weapon talaga ng Magnolia yung depensa in this ball game against Barangay Ginebra. For the Ginebra side, no, Stephen Holt, no, a huge outing for him in the defeat, 16 points and 17 rebounds. 17 rebounds for Stephen Holt, no. So Holt off to a good start sa statistics, but again natalo nga lang itong kanyang kupunan. Siguro tong si Jeremiah Green, no, focus will be on him dahil nga sa pagkawala ni Jamie Malonzo who signed sa Japan, and he did well, no, in his first game in the 50th season with 13 points and 4 of 10 shooting from the field. Ganitong klaseng production talagang kinakailangan ng Barangay Ginebra now that wala na itong si Jamie Malonzo sa kanilang kupunan. Sunny Steele, no? An impressive first game in the PBA, no? In 17 minutes, 9 points, 7 rebounds para kay Sunny Steele. So the number 11 pick sa season 50 draft, had a good outing to start off his PBA career. Pero sabi nga niya, no, he would rather win a game than have this stat, no. Si Steele may one block din pala, no, hindi natin nailagay dito yung one block ni Sunny Steele. And the big difference, no, again, yung depensa ng Magnolia limiting Scotty Thompson scoreless in this ball game, no. In 31 minutes of action, 0 of 5 from the field, 0 of 3 from twos, and 0 of 2 from the 3-point line, no. He did have 5 rebounds pero nag-commit din siya ng 3 turnovers. So Scotty Thompson off night sa kanyang first game in the 50th season, and that yung depensa ng Magnolia talagang nagpakita rin, isa ring rason kung bakit scoreless si Scotty Thompson sa larong ito. Okay, so yan po yung ating recap ng game kagabi, October 5, 2025 to start off the PBA 50th season Philippine Cup. Again, nagwagi ang Magnolia over Ginebra 80-73. Alright, that concludes our video of the recap of that game yesterday, and we will have more of this as the season progresses, and again, as pag meron tayong time, we will do this after the game. So again, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. And again, panoorin nyo rin po yung mga interviews from yesterday's game, post-game press conference. May interview rin with Sunny Steele and even RJ Abarrientos to discuss yung loss as well as yung kanyang pagkapanalo sa Rookie of the Year. Nasa YouTube channel na po natin yan, yung video na yan. And we will have more in the coming days. Alright, again, I'm Ruben Terrado, and thank you for watching our video. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, and we will see you next time.